Welcome to my class. This is Jayashree. I hope everybody is fine. In the last class, I have asked you something. I have asked you to learn the poem A House and Home. I hope you have learned that. Just like me, other teachers might have given you some homework. Have you been doing all that homework? Let's talk about homework today. Hmm? I'm going to ask you a few questions now, and I want you to answer to all those questions. It doesn't matter whether I can listen you because I always perceive your answers some way or the other. So please do answer my questions. Do you like homework? Do you hate homework? Do you take anybody's help in completing the homework? Or do you enjoy doing the homework? Do you miss your homework anytime when it is not given? That's an absurd question because no one misses homework. They'll be over the moon if there is no homework, right? Of course, some people might be there. Okay, let's have a look at this boy. How does he look like? He looks miserable. Oh my god. He does not like to complete his homework, it seems. He hates homework. Let's have a look at this girl. Oh, she's so pleasant. And she seems to enjoy doing her homework. How many of you are like this boy when it comes to doing homework? How many of you enjoy doing homework just like this girl? I hope every one of you are just like this girl, enjoying your homework. I only hope. I know it's not real. Okay. Mm, do you take help from anyone while completing your homework? Sometimes your homework might be difficult. Sometimes you need somebody's help to complete your homework. Then generally we go to our parents, or if we have any elder people in our home, we go to them. We ask their help. Generally that happens. Today I'm gonna give you one question, that is, what if you get help from an elf, fairy, and it is real? Generally, we get help from our family members. But what if you get help from an elf, fairy, and it is real? These type of things generally happen in dreams and in our imagination. But what if it becomes real? What if some magical power has come in a tiny man shape and helps you? That is only elf. Elf is a supernatural creature of folk tales, just like a fairy. It has all magical powers. He will be in a tiny size, and he will have a tall hat and long ears and old fashioned dress. You can have a look at him in two different pictures that I am showing you right now. Hmm? What if it happens in your life? Some magical creature comes to you and helps you with all your works. How about that? How do you feel then? I think you feel over the moon because it's the homework. If somebody does it, we feel so happy, right? Hmm. Let's move on. What is this all? This is all magic. If that is real, if that is happening in our life, real, then it is magical realism. We're going to learn a story where some magic happens and it is real. That is magical realism. Let's know what this magical realism is. In magical realism, characters react to magical elements as though it is ordinary, as though it is quite natural, as though it is normal. For example, now if some magical things happen around us, we do not accept that. We do not think that it is ordinary because that is not going to happen. But whatever the story that has magical realism, in that the characters believe all the magic, whatever is happening in that story, is normal. Do you understand? In magical realism, in such stories, characters in that story react to whatever the magical things that happen in that story as it is quite ordinary. I have an activity for you here. Write a short story in about 150 words. What do you write a story about? You're going to write a story in which something magic happens. You are going to create a character which has magical powers and it does something wonderful in that story. Just like that, be imaginative and write a creative short story. I want a very short story, short and sweet. Your story must be very short and it should be very sweet and it should have some magical element in it. I think you are going to do that. In the next video class, we will learn a story in which magical realism is there. Are you waiting for that? Before that, I want you to write this story. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video with an interesting magical story. Bye.